I'm Elizabeth from Shelburne, Ontario, and the Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me the PADERNO Half Baking Sheet. I've put the PADERNO Half Baking Sheet to test by baking my famous chocolate chip cookies. One of the things right away that I really liked about the baking sheet was how heavy duty and how solid the baking sheet felt. It's sturdy, it's not flimsy whatsoever. It has a nice rimmed edge over there, and it's got a nice bottom. Another thing that I really liked about it was that I could fit an extra row of cookies on the baking sheet as opposed to my standard 12. I can fit 15, which is great because that's one less round that I'm using the oven, therefore saving on energy. Another thing that it is heavy duty professional grade aluminum, which is the best for baking, which is going to get you even baking results and heat distribution. As you can see, the cookies all turned out beautiful and golden brown. So overall, I would definitely recommend the PADERNO Half Baking Sheet to my family and friends.